Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Marzocco Linea Mini. You can see this person either built or had a stone top. It looks like quartz built on for this machine, which is very nice. And so let's go ahead and pull a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso, right exactly at 9 bars of pressure. Really couldn't ask for more. Beautiful shot. Test the hot water. Hot water is working well. Test the steam, nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.